if you're looking for the best personal loans in Canada in 2026. Here's the truth. There is no single best loan because everything depends on your situation, your credit score, how fast you need the money, and how much you want to pay in interest, so choosing the right lender can save you a lot of money over time. Here are 4 of the best personal loan options in Canada right now, clearly explained so you know exactly which one fits you. Let's start with one of the strongest traditional options, CIBC. This is one of the major banks in Canada, known for stability and trust. It offers structured personal loans with fixed payments and clear terms. If you have a strong credit score, you can get relatively low interest rates. You can also borrow higher amounts compared to many online lenders. The process is more traditional, so approval can take longer and requirements are stricter. This is ideal if you want security, lower rates, and long-term reliability. Now let's move to a more flexible option, Loan Connect. This is not a direct lender, it's a platform that connects you with multiple lenders using one application instead of applying in different places. You get several offers at once. It works with a wide range of credit profiles, from good to poor. This increases your chances of getting approved. Loan terms and rates vary depending on the lender you match with. This is perfect if you want options and don't want to waste time applying everywhere. Next is a strong option for easier. Aprovalsi Shifintani is one of the most well-known alternative lenders in Canada. Is designed for people who may not qualify with traditional banks. Approval is easier, and you can still access decent loan amounts. Repayment terms are flexible, which can help with monthly budgeting. However, interest rates are higher, so it's important to use it carefully and only borrow what you can afford. This is a good option if you need access to credit when banks say no. Finally, let's talk about a platform focused on access loans. Canada. This is another loan matching service, but it's especially focused on people with lower credit scores. It connects you with lenders that have more flexible approval requirements. That means even if you've been rejected before, you still have options like other flexible lenders. RATES can be higher, but it provides access when other doors are closed. This makes it a useful option for rebuilding credit or handling urgent needs. Now, here's what actually matters when choosing a personal loan in Canada. First, the interest rate. This affects how much you'll pay in total. Second, approval requirements. Not all lenders accept the same credit profile. And third, repayment terms. You need payments that fit your budget comfortably. So which one is the BESTCIBC is best for low rates and strong credit. Loan Connect is best for comparing multiple options. CFinanal is best for easier approvals. Loans Canada is best for lower credit situations. Bottom line is simple. The best loan is not the one that gives you money the fastest. It's the one that you can repay without stress. Choose wisely, and you'll avoid problems later.